Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Hello guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn what is the cause and what is the solution of an error which states that cannot copy to USB, file is too large. So our video will have two parts. Number one, the cause of this error, and number two, the solution of this error. Let me try to copy a file so that we can clearly see what is an error about. So this is a file. It is about 5.5 GB. Let me right click here and copy or send it to motechapp USB, right? So let me click here. As we can see, file is too large for destination file system. The file size is 5.3 GB, right? And the USB is 7 GB. How this comes? 5 GB cannot be sent to 7 GB. So this is a problem. So let me cancel here. What are the causes of this problem? A causes of this problem is due to FAT32 limitation. Files larger than 4 GB cannot be stored in FAT32 volume. This USB is in FAT32 format. So a file which is greater than 4 GB cannot be sent to this file, to this USB flash, right? So that is the cause of this error in Windows. Actually, we have covered part number 1 of this tutorial. Part number 2 is the solution of this error. How can you solve this error in Windows? So we can solve this error by formatting the flash drive as exFAT or NTFS. So let me right click here, then go to format, file system. We can choose exFAT or NTFS. So let me choose exFAT, then start to format. Okay, complete. Then let's close. After that, let us try to send this file once again to see what's happened. So click, then send. Now we can see our file is successful being sent to USB flash. So actually that is an end of this tutorial. Just to remind you of what we have covered in this tutorial. We have covered the cause of an error which states that cannot copy to USB, file is too large. Also, we have covered the solution of this error. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe for next video updates. Goodbye. See you in the next time.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.